Look what I made. Look, I made this. Okay, welcome to the Ideal Auto Factory. Today I'm just here to share with you a product, a piece that went from digital to physical through 3D printing for RC drifting. Keep God first. Let's get into this video. I've always loved 3D printing. I honestly like CAD. And while I was in high school and even middle school, I was playing around with these softwares like Autodesk and really enjoying what I was doing. When it comes to RC drifting and you start to get custom or you start to piece together a build, I personally use Onshape. I have a Mac. I'm not spending money on this software. I have a Anycubic Photon Mono 4K 3D printer. It does print in resin, so I can't make very strong prints, but I can make detailed parts that, with the right situation, you end up with something that just works. So this is the product that I created, and it is a spacer for the YD2 adjustable H-arm here. And I'm going to install these on my chassis right now. I just wanted to give you a little insight on what I've done. And if you would like one of these, there's a way to get these. Just wait till the end of the video. And here it is installed onto the chassis. Look at that. It's right there. That's the part. It's installed. Oh, that's so cool. Really cool. So that's pretty much it. If you would like these spacers, I do have them on my website, idealautofactory.com. And when you go in and purchase this, this is the file as a 3D printable file. And if you are interested in just getting the parts because you don't have a 3D printer yourself, please message me or leave a comment below. It comes in 10 millimeter, 8, 6, 4 millimeter, 2 millimeter, and a 1 millimeter shim. So there's 6 files that you're getting for the price. So head on over to the site. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. I appreciate you. The following keeps growing, and that just means that I get to do more things for you, with you, and just enjoy the blessings that come from us working together. So again, thank you for watching. Keep God first. I will catch you on the next video. Peace.